This is my third tutorial in my Java tutorial series, and as I said, I was going to explain the program which we wrote last time, our Hello World program, what each part meant. So first of all, the top 3 lines of code is a comment, is a multi-line comment. We started off with a forward slash, an asterisk, then we ended with an asterisk, then a forward slash. As you can see, the comment says displays hello world to the standard output, and this all comments really are, as this one down here as well. This is a single line. With a single line comment, we can put 2 forward slashes with a single line, and for multi-line we do it as up here. So all of the program does not display or read any of the comments, anything within after the 2 forward slashes or between these 2 forward slashes and asterisks. The program, our Java compiler never reads this, and the user never sees it. Comments are basically used to explain to people who are reading our source files what the program does. So basically all a comment does is explain what's going on. So we know from this comment that displays the enclosed string on the screen console. So basically this displays hello world to the user. That's basically, I knew that because it says here. And in proper source files, they'll probably be a bit more simpler than that. So basically just explains what it does. With here, class and hello world, usually the Java expects our file name to be same as the class, so I've saved it as hello world.java, as the Java compiler expected our file name to be the same as the class name. So when you're saving a file, keep it the same. So if you're going to make a class called number, call your file number as well. So basically a class is basically kind of a blueprint of a program. This just holds all the methods, our variables, which I'll explain later, and our fields, our data fields. All a real class does is just basically holds the program together. Basically, what classes are generally used for very large programs. It's basically just like a program within itself. So it's basically a section of a program, and we always start off our programs with class. Then once you've done that, we then add something called a main function, and a main function is basically where our code is going to be executed. This is the first line, which our compiler goes. The first line where we had our functions, such as here were our methods. Our first methods here. Basically, where our first code really goes. So our first methods and variables start always within our main function, as this is the first method which gets executed, and it goes down to here. So system.out print in hello world, this basically displays hello world to the user. So all this is really doing, system.out print in, it's basically displaying whatever's between these two quotation marks, whatever's between these 2 quotation marks, display it on a screen to the user. That's basically display it to the user, and we always end it with a semicolon. Hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.